A minor. I am playing Wayfaring Pilgrim by RE Winsett, and it is an old traditional gospel song, southern song, with that minor key that gives it a very unique sound. So the song is in A minor. If you look them up, the next chord is D minor, and then A minor, and I'm playing F, C, and E. And then back to that A minor, which keeps the song going. Wayfaring Pilgrim by RE Winsett. I am a poor wayfaring pilgrim, traveling through this world below. There is no sickness, toil, nor danger in every land to which I go. I'm going there to meet my Father. I'm going there, no more to roam. I am just going over Jordan. I am just going over home. I want to sing salvation story in concert with blood-washed band. I want to wear a crown of glory when I get home to that good land. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I am just going over Jordan. I am just going over. I'll soon be free from every trial. This body will rest beneath the sod. I'll drop my cross of self-denial and enter my home with God. I'm going there to see my Savior, who shed for me His precious blood. I am just going over Jordan. I am just going over home. I am just going. Just going over home. Wayfaring Pilgrim, have a blessed day and happy New Song Friday.